Struggling to find your flashlight or turn it off quickly on your Android phone? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to control your flashlight in minutes. Step 1. Start by unlocking your phone. Now swipe down from the top of your screen once to open the notification panel. Step 2. Swipe down again from the top. This will fully open the quick settings panel where all shortcut icons are available. Step 3. Look carefully for the flashlight or torch icon. It usually looks like a small flashlight symbol. Step 4. Simply tap the flashlight icon once. Your phone's flashlight will turn on immediately. Step 5. On some Android devices, you can control flashlight strength. Just press and hold the flashlight icon and a pop-up menu will appear. From here, you can increase or decrease the brightness level depending on your need. Step 6. To turn it off, go back to the quick settings panel and tap the flashlight icon again. The light will instantly turn off. Step 7. If you don't see the icon, if the flashlight option is missing, swipe left in quick settings or tap the plus edit button. Then drag and add the flashlight icon to your main panel for quick access. That's it. Now you can easily turn your Android flashlight on or off anytime. Thanks for watching.